everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1989 Ford Mustang GT convertible. I am sorry, you can see I'm rushing a little bit. It's already starting to sprinkle, and then we'll have 4 straight days of doggone rain. So we're just kind of rushing, trying to get this thing videoed so everybody can get a good look at it. But beautiful car. My buddy found this car for me. It's out of Georgia. An older man actually had this car refurbished for his wife. Factory color combination, the bright white with the red interior. It's got the red convertible top. The factory turbine aluminum wheels, 5.0 GT automatic car, and you can see it is beautiful. Again, my buddy, and I apologize, man, we literally just barely wiped this thing down, and we're trying to get this video done. A buddy of mine drove it home for the weekend. Him and his wife cruised it, said it's just a great car. And you can really see it. It really is just a nice little Mustang. You see, it's already spitting a little rain. Had all the seats redone. 91,000 original miles. Clean Carfax. Car is beautiful. Even had the wheels redone. Yeah, unfortunately, it's going to start storming here in a little bit, and we will not be able to do any advertising for, like they say about 4 days straight of rain. And it's just a little dust. You can see that in any photos or anything. Good looking car, man. You may want to put that top up just in case it starts to rain. Just go ahead and start. Again, factory 5.0 HO engine, automatic overdrive transmission, power steering, power disc brakes, air, pretty much all bone stock factory there. I love these cars, man. And again, I think they're just now, they did put a set of headers on it, and it's got a X-Pipe, good sound, X-Pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system on it. Again, love the red convertible top. I think that's all new. Slick car. Bought a little door lock button for it, it broke. Door skins are nice and clean. Again, clean Carfax, power windows, power locks, no accident history. It's got power lumbar seats in it. Again, bucket seats, console, power mirrors, cruise control, factory tach and gauges. Again, you can see he's redone all the seats. They're really nice. 91.817 is what it looks like is on there. Factory gauge cluster. It's got an aftermarket Alpine sound system in it. Stock rear end. I'll have to look the gear up, guys. But again, nice and clean. We got the convertible boot for it here. Looks like everything works. Clean sway bar, or rear sway bar. Very clean underneath. Super nice car, man. Dash is really nice, little blemish there. Good looking car. Gotta love the 80s, fellas. Yeah, air blows cold. Kick it on for you. Shut that hood. Go ahead and shut that hood for me. Gauges are all functional. Good oil pressure. Tach works. Yeah, doors open and close nice. I'm gonna put those windows up maybe so nobody get better in there. Power top works. Obviously we're running it up because of the rain, so. Good sounding dual exhaust. Windows work. Radio works. Blower motor works. The wipers really close today. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way we get a notification every time we post a new video. Good looking car.